We'll guide you through how to use Wix Editor X, the latest and most powerful design platform from Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix account and navigate to the dashboard. Once there, click on the Editor X option to open the editor. You'll be greeted with an intuitive interface that's designed for both beginners and advanced users. Start by choosing a template that best fits your project. You can select from a variety of templates, whether you're creating a portfolio, a business site, or an online store. After selecting a template, you'll enter the Editor X canvas. Here, you can begin customizing your site. Click on any element, like text or images, to edit them. You can change fonts, colors, and styles right from the toolbar that appears. Editor X offers a responsive design feature, which means you can preview how your site looks on different devices. Simply click on the device icons at the top of the editor to switch views between desktop, tablet, and mobile. Make sure your design looks great on all devices. You can also add new sections by clicking the Add button on the left sidebar. Choose from different pre-designed sections like headers, footers, and galleries. If you need to add functionality, the Add panel also lets you insert apps or custom code. To adjust the layout, use the drag and drop feature to move elements around. Wix Editor X provides advanced layouting tools like grids and flexbox, allowing you to create complex, dynamic layouts without coding. Don't forget to regularly save your progress by clicking the Save button at the top right. Once you're happy with your design, you can click Publish to make your site live. Remember, you can always go back and make changes even after publishing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.